Prestige are proud to present the Volkswagen Scirocco. It's the 1.4 TSI GT model, finished in flash red with the contrasting black accents, black alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. Recently fitted tyres, discs, pads, cam belt and water pump also recently carried out, and a recent service. Full and up-to-date service history, 2 keys, 2 former keepers, and finished in beautiful condition. Really well specified. Drives absolutely amazing. Supplied with 6 months warranty, nationwide cover, with the option to extend for up to 3 years. So really well looked after example. No visible dents or scratches down the body lines. Roof is also clear. Privacy glass fitted to this vehicle. It's got parking sensors. Also with the visual aids. Air conditioning is really working well and recently had a regas. Interior is also in lovely condition. All the service history is documented. Electric heated mirrors, electric windows, sport seats, all in very good condition. It's half leather, half Alcantara, 3-spoke multifunction sports steering wheel, automatic lights, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth telephone connection and media connection, 6-speed manual gearbox, dual center cup holders, center armrest tilt slide in leather, Volkswagen media in system, rear seats in unmarked condition, really well looked after example. Roofline is also clean and tidy. Take you around to the passenger side of the vehicle. Door cards unmarked. Seats in superior condition. Piano black interior trim. Got the navigation on the screen. It is touchscreen. You've got DAB digital radio, various media connections, Bluetooth, auxiliary, Wi-Fi, SD card, USB, Bluetooth telephone connection. Very nice example. Good size boot on these cars as well. It's got a lot of depth, although it looks small from the outside. As you can see, that's a large amount of space. Seats do also fold fully flat on those 2 leathers either side. Under here you've got an unused spare wheel and full toolkit present. If you are interested in this vehicle, kindly do get in contact with us. Our contact telephone number is 01865 95 669. That number is also available on WhatsApp. Please do get in touch. Whether you're looking to part exchange another vehicle or finance this vehicle, we'd be more than happy to assist you. I would like to thank you for watching this video.